Guys, welcome back to my channel. How have you guys been? Yeah, so this is going to be a short video of what you can do with your Greek yogurt, or if you're tending towards eating healthy and having all the ingredients soaked into your meal. This thing has refused to open. So this video is, sit and watch this video. Yeah, so yeah, the first thing is to put your yogurt into a cup, a plate, whatever you think will be good for this. Yeah, I think the light in here is, but okay. So the next thing is to add your chia seeds. Yeah, you need to take 1.5 spoons. Then I'm going to stir this. Please Google the benefit. I want this video to be short, so I'm not going to be telling you about the benefits of all the things that I'm putting in this. So just Google the benefits, okay? So that's it. The next thing is to layer this with my apples. If you have kiwi, you can add kiwi, but I have apples now. So layer it with some apples. Yeah. After that, I'm going to add my raisins. So after my raisins, I'm going to go all in with some bananas. If you can add any other fruit you have, but these are the ones I have at home at the moment. So I know kiwi would be good for this. I know berry, strawberry, and the likes would also be good for this. Yeah. Then another thing that I'll be adding to this mix is my almond nuts. So I'm just going to add it, and I think I'll shoot another video. If you have what's the name, if you have coconuts, you can add coconut. So I'm just going to, because what I use is unsweetened Greek yogurt. Yeah, so I'm just going to drizzle in some honey on top. It's optional as well, but I just want to add it. Yeah, so after adding all of this, I'm going to cover this and let it sit in the refrigerator for some minutes, just a couple of minutes, and this can be used as breakfast, dinner, snack, whatever. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section, is this something you want to try out? Yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.